Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivi and I am a crochet artist who specializes in crochet clothes, but sometimes when I feel like it, I make other things, like Freddy the Frog. Today we are starting part 2 of crocheting my dream summer wardrobe. I'm so excited. If you want to watch part 1, it's on my channel. I can link it in the description below for y'all. But yeah, today is part 2. And for this video and these projects, I want to make 2 bedazzle sequin cowl neck, I think that's how you say it, tops. So I have it planned out in my head. And yeah, the first one I'm totally freehanding. I can just see it in my mind. And I'm using this yarn from, I don't know, I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below with my affiliate link if you like it. But it's like white with these sequins in it. Woo! So yeah, I'm really pumped about this one. And then the other one's still coming in the mail, and I'm really hoping it comes in time. I'm leaving town on Wednesday. I'm going to France actually with my family for a little over a week, and I'm just so excited. And so yeah, I'm gonna vlog that too, so stay tuned for France. But I'm hoping to crochet the second top on the plane, so hopefully that yarn comes in time. We'll see. But yeah, let's get started on this top. I'm so excited about it. I think I'll film a tutorial for it too as I go. Sometimes I do these tutorials and I'm like just hoping it works out in the end. Usually I'll make one version before I jump into a tutorial, but for this one I feel pretty secure about how it's going to turn out. I have it all planned in my head, so I think it's going to go well, and the tutorial will be postable. So I'm excited. But yeah, I'm going to be watching Love Island, both US and UK, while I crochet this because I love both, and it feels summery. Okay, oh, the second top I want to make, I'm going to show you a little picture right here. This is by Pet Crochets. I love her Instagram, is how I found her, and this top is so cute. So I'm following her YouTube tutorial for it, and we'll see how that one goes, but I'm really excited. I think it'll be so fun if the yarn comes in time to have in France. So I'm going to hopefully crochet that one on the plane. I'll have to like download her tutorial or something, or write it down as I like watch it and write it down to make sure I can do it on the plane. But yeah, anyway, enough of me blabbing. Let's get crocheting the first top.
You said that I was pretty and you liked my company, but I didn't give an answer. I just stood and watched you leave. You said I couldn't.
Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and ignore the huge pile of crochet clothes. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to pack, so everything's a bit of a mess. This is out for the tutorial I'm filming for this top. So I finished the rectangle. Let me show you. And I'm obsessed with this yarn. It's honestly easier to work with than I expected because I figured the sequins would get in the way, but they're pretty easy to work around. It's not bad. So now I'm going to add the like halter top, and it's going to connect in the back. And I've decided not to make it a tie one because I just don't tend to wear tops that tie as much because I don't feel secure in them, but I'm thinking maybe if I make this one all connected and just exactly my size, will be good. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna film a tutorial while I do it. And I'm still watching Love Island over here, still enjoying it. Yeah, let's crochet this.
And they said give it a chance, don't write it off at a glance, but it's a complicated dance. I walk the line and we barely survive, and your scars are
Okay, y'all, I finished the top. Look how cute it turned out. It's kind of hard to tell when it's over this white tank top, but I'm gonna get some good pictures of it at the beach this week. I'm so excited. I'm literally so happy with it. I can't believe it turned out this good. And I filmed a tutorial for it, so that should already be up. So I'll link that in the description below because, what? Yeah. So I don't think the yarn for my other project is going to come in time. So we're just going to resume this vlog after my trip to France. So yeah, that means my France vlog is probably already up. So the middle of this vlog, France, and then finishing this vlog. We're a little all over the place, but that's fine. So, yeah. See you in my France vlog. And then the next clip will be hopefully when I have my yarn and I'm working on my next top. Okay, y'all, excuse the mess over here. I've been painting today, but yeah, I can't remember exactly where I left off with this vlog, I'm not gonna lie, but I just got back from France and I wore the top I made in the first half of this video. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looked so cute. I wore it for dinner with my family and we went to a speakeasy and it was just, it's like my favorite thing I've ever made. I'm obsessed with the yarn. I made a tutorial, link below. Yeah. And then this yarn came in the mail literally the day I left for France. I was so sad because I wanted to make a top with it for France, but that's okay. We'll make it now. But I'm following a tutorial by Pet Crochet. I'm really excited. And I'm out of breath from going upstairs to get this yarn. Gosh. This yarn is from Hobby, and it's so cute. It's also sparkly. Sparkly yarn is now my new favorite thing in the world. And I got it in sky blue. And so we're going to start on this next top. And I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be cute. So let's start crocheting this top now. And I have a lot of Love Island to catch up on, so I'm watching some Love Island now. The finale was last night. I don't know who won, but I think I know because it's who I would have wanted to win. But no spoilers. I'm not gonna catch up today though. That's fine. Yeah, so we're just gonna watch Love Island and crochet. Okay, not gonna lie, it's been a few days since I've updated y'all, but there's been a lot of trial and error going on. So the first cup I made, I kept losing track of when to decrease which rows. And so then the second cup I made ended up being a lot bigger. So now I'm trying to make another one and see if I can get it closer to the second one, the size of the second one I made. So we're gonna have 3 cups to choose from, and I'm gonna choose the 2 that are closest in size, that I've made the most consistent. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working on this. I'm also performing tonight downtown in Nashville. I'm also a singer-songwriter, fun fact. So I'll bring y'all along for that because during the other people performing's time slots, I'm probably going to work on this project a little bit. So I'll bring y'all there and it's gonna be a fun time. So yeah, let's just keep crocheting.
I'm a little nostalgic, what can I say? Wishing for simpler days, summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek.
Okay, so both of these cups are officially done, and I've gotten started working on the kind of cowl part that's going to drape down, but I have to leave for a market now, so I'm going to work on it at the market, which I'm really excited for. I've crocheted a lot of like hanging plants and turtles and stuff for it, so let's go set up for the farmer's market, and then I'll keep crocheting in between customers, and I'm excited. Yay, let's go.
Mine sounds like Willie Nelson playing on a 60s radio station, driving down I-35, happy just being alive. If I want to relive those days, I grab a record and just hit play, and I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine.
Y'all, that market was so much fun. I made some good progress on the top, so pretty pumped about that. And the girl in the tent next to me, it was her first market ever, and so I helped her set up, and it was just really fun getting to know her. She was really cool, and she was selling this homemade hair oil, and it sounded really cool. She showed me the before and after pictures from her using it. That's why she started selling it. It worked so well for her, so I'm like, psh, okay, because I have some hair oil that I like, but I don't think I've actually seen a lot of growth, so I just wanted to support a local new business owner, and so I bought her hair oil. I'm gonna grab my phone so I can tell you her business name. Oh, it's in my pocket. Wild Heart Apothecary. So you should definitely go support her. Here's her Instagram. Yeah, so it was really fun getting to know her and getting to support her business. I love that. So now I'm gonna go put some of that oil in my hair, and I'm also heating up some bread from, I did a market yesterday too. This bread is a rosemary potato bread, which I'd never heard of, and it's so, so good. This girl is at most of the markets I do, and at the end of each market, she gives away the bread she doesn't sell because it's not gonna last for the next market. And so most markets I get some free bread from her, and it's always so good, and this is the first time I've had this one. I also had a chocolate croissant from her yesterday. It was so good. So I'm gonna heat up this bread, eat some of it, and put some hair oil in my hair, and then we're just gonna crochet tonight until I fall asleep, basically. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a lot of progress tonight on this top. I think I'm really close to being done. I am leaving town this weekend, so we'll see if I bring it with me, what I get done. I don't know, I'll update y'all tomorrow, but for tonight, let's just wind down, have some bread, and crochet.
And I'll keep guessing what's going on in your head, and you'll keep messing with mine again and again. It's never ending, the circles we're going in, but I keep hoping for us in the end.
And here's the finished top. Yay, I finished it on the beach this weekend in Pensacola, which was so much fun. And it was so fun to make. This was a great tutorial. I will definitely link it below. It's by Pet Crochets. And it's so fun and perfect for like a beach bar. I love it. And the yarn is from Hobby. I will also link it below. It's a little difficult to work with, but definitely doable. I think that concludes this video. These two tops, my two sparkly summer tops. Woo. Yeah, it was so much fun working with sparkly yarn for the first time for both of these projects. I definitely think the first yarn I used was easiest to work with, and that is also linked below. I got it on Amazon, and so it's in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, that's linked below. Yeah, I'm in love with these tops. So much fun. First one I made a tutorial for, so that will be linked below. Lots of things will be linked below. Just check out the description for anything in the video that you are interested in. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me as I crocheted these. I hope you can't hear my dishwasher running in the background. It just made a weird noise. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe. There are lots of crochet tutorials, more crochet vlogs on my channel, so be sure to check those out. And I hope I see you next time. Bye!